Hi guys, welcome to the shop. I'm going to embark in a whole new range of videos. This is me trying to come back to YouTube from a long absence. I usually do RC stuff, videos regarding RC stuff. I've got some drones and planes and radios and all that stuff, and I'll be doing that also, but for now I'm gonna, as you can see, I built myself a shop here because I've been doing some projects in metalworking, with metal work. And today I'm going to be unboxing my HZXVOGEN, I believe that's how it's called. It's a multi-process Mig Welder. It's the HBM2280. It's synergic Mig Welder, so I'm going to be unboxing it and showing to you guys what you can get in the mail, and I'll be testing it and showing you guys the results of those tests. But for now, let's just open it and see what we get. Okay guys, so here's the machine. I'll be plugging it so I can show you all the menus. Quite good looking machine. The plastics feel sturdy. I know, this is Chinese, but the plastics, I feel like they're gonna last. Let me show you the inside here of the machine. All right, so you got your wire feeder in here. Oh cool, you got the a spool gun option, so you can turn on and off this wire feeder. You can work with this machine with a spool gun to weld aluminium and all that stuff. And this is burned back. I don't know what this is. I have to read the manual. So this will take a smaller spool as well as the bigger spools. I think the 5 kilo ones, I think. Yeah, cool. So let's see in here. You got the roller, and I believe this has a 1 millimeter. I'm sorry, I'm gonna tell you this in metric because I work in metric. So yeah, this has the 0.8 millimeter. I don't know if you guys can see this, but yeah. The 0.8 millimeter roll, and on the other side the 1.0 millimeter. So you can choose whatever wire you want to. Cool, very nice. But I think you can get other sizes for this, other rolls. So very sturdy. In the back, you have your power button over here, your gas inlet. All of this seems very nice, very sturdy. Looks good. On this side you have this vent over here where the air will vent off, and in here you have the front of the machine. So this is that small whip where you control the polarity for the MIG gun, okay, the MIG torch. So if you, for example, and I'm going to show you that later. I think the machine also shows you that. If you work with flux core, you're gonna have electrode negative. So if this controls the polarity of this of the torch, you should go with this on the negative side and have your earth clamp on the positive side. So if you go gas, it's the other way around. But the machine, I think, from what I've seen, the machine tells you what to do, which is very cool. All right, let's see what's in the other box. Let me put this down. Okay, so what we got here, this is open. Weird. Okay, this is one of those cheap masks they send you. I don't know why they keep sending you this. All right, instructions. And let's see. This is nice. So we got in Russian. Very nice. Nope. We got in English. No, this is French. I'm sorry, French. So we had Russian, which is quite nice, and an illustrated. This is very high quality, and also, I believe this is French. We got a couple of them in French. I don't know why. Maybe they made a mistake and sent us two for the French people. And we also have another one, another bag. Let's see what we have. Let me see if I'm in shot. Yes, I'm in shot. And I'm sorry about the poor lighting, but I'm working on it on the shot. Yeah, and we got an English one. That's what we want. Right there. All right, cool. Illustrated with color pictures. Oh, that's a nice surprise. For an English manual. Very nice. No, we got to go through this later on. You also have in this bag, this is the handle for the mask. One of those crappy brushes with that, you know, little imitation of a hammer or whatever. You don't want that. Oh, the actual light filter, the glass for the, I'm not going to throw it because it's going to break and then I have to clean it for the crappy mask. Oh, nice touch. They sent us a tungsten wand. Oh, this is cool. Very nice. Thank you for that. And a couple of those, I don't know what you call this in English, to tighten the, oh, I'm making a mess. Tightening the gas hose on your machine and all that stuff. Very nice. All right, cool. Let me put this back in here. All right, now, gas hose. I wouldn't say that this is prime quality, but I think it will do the trick. But in my opinion, you should get a better one when you're a local supplier. Put this in there. All right, so we have the earth clamp, ground clamp, or whatever you want to call it, and the MMA stick grabber or stick plier. Both of them are, and this uses the 3550 Dean's connector, which is quite good because it has to withstand a lot of amperage. All right, very nice. They look good, look sturdy. This, oh, okay, this ground clamp, I'm gonna have to modify it a little bit because it looks like it's a little bit on the flimsy side, but nothing terrible. I can put a screw with some washers in it. Will be very, very nice. It comes on the inside. I like this. All right, cool. And what we have here. Okay, let's put this box aside. And this, I believe, it's the MIG torch. Okay, we have an inner lining, and I think this is for aluminum. All right, so you can replace this because, you know, aluminum, it's much softer and it has it needs to have a a good liner inside in order for not to go bird's nest on you. So yeah, another inner lining, I think for aluminum, very good. And in this, I opened it, this, just take a peek earlier. And okay, cool. This is kind of a surprise. Look what it says. It says hitbox. Now we all pick, if you look around on AliExpress, and by the way, I bought this, it wasn't sent to me, I bought this with my own money on AliExpress. So hitbox. There's another brand that also sells some welders, and this is the same brand, the hitbox brand. Well, let's see. We got here some little wrench to change your nozzles. So you got a 0.8 millimeter nozzle and a 1.0 millimeter nozzle, spare ones. Put this aside. Back to the box. Let me put this in the box. And this is the actual MIG gun. It looks really strong. All right, it has this ball joint over here where you can, you know, rotate it a little bit, and it has this play, which is quite nice. Looks very strong. And this cable here, man, it looks really, really strong. So the tip, let's see what we got here. All right, so we have a ceramic tip here over here in order to have the gas dispersion, I think, and not to make contact with the actual, with this, the mouth. I think that's the purpose. So this won't be live, this part of it, and obviously neither will this gas disperser over here, or gas conduct, as we, I don't know what do you call it. It won't be live when you're welding. And we have, I don't know how many millimeters, a 1.0 millimeter nozzle, or what do we call this? Well, it looks fairly good. The plastic is very strong, so it looks good. I think it will work. Only time will tell. So that's it for the unboxing, and I'll be showing you how the machine works and all the different menus on the machine later. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.